The first step is selecting the customer type, which will tailor the questions based on the scheme. Once selected, the postcode of the property is then entered. Now it will display the property address along with the EPC link, Google Street View, and some starting questions about the property. Once entered, we will move on to the in-depth property questions. In the Property tab, all relevant questions will be displayed for the agent to ask the customer, allowing the ability to add notes for further details relevant to the application. This allows us to understand what measures are available for the property. The Eligibility tab determines how the customer qualifies for the scheme and any other relevant data such as a different eligible customer. The Customer tab is to enter all relevant information of the customer for contacting. The Final tab allows the user to input any relevant notes to the application which can be viewed later on the customer view. Once these tabs are complete, we move on to the customer view. The customer view provides all relevant information tied to the customer, with notes, history and tracking to allow all users understand the stance of each application at a glance. Signatures and documents are able to be requested directly from the customer view, sending an email and/or text to the customer requesting the relevant documentation and signatures. All done from a click of a button. The appointment system allows the user to quickly view existing appointments to find space and time to book other appointments, with email reminders sent when they are due. Statuses are used for progress tracking with the customer. Job type allows the user to easily switch the customer's form between different eligible schemes. The Contact tab enables the use of templated emails and texts that can be sent to the customer, saving time and reducing manual effort. The Measures tab allows the user to toggle the potential measures that can be offered for the customer's property. The Transfer tab allows the user to send this lead to an installer or to assign the case to a new user within their business. The Overview provides a quick view of all the inputted details for the customer and property, allowing a full picture of the application.